You are watching this video on YouTube right now, and I need you to understand something about the platform you are sitting on. Because once you understand this, you are going to see YouTube completely different. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the planet, and every single day, millions of people come here searching for one specific thing: product reviews, product comparisons, is this worth buying searches. They are using YouTube to make buying decisions, and those buyers, the ones already in buying mode, they end up on Amazon, and when they get there using my affiliate link, I earn the commission. In the last 25 days, that system paid me $26,459 in affiliate commissions with Amazon Associates using AI to create the videos, using YouTube's free traffic that send the buyers, and using Amazon to collect the commission. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, and stay until the end because the last section reveals the exact type of YouTube videos that send the most Amazon buyers. And let's get started. For people who want to start making money with Amazon Associates, first step, you guys need to join Amazon Associates. So you need to create an affiliate account like this one. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is summary here, as you guys can see, and this is my commissions over here, and this is my bounties over here. Okay, so and I have been doing this business, guys, for over 7 years. I know exactly what's working and what's not. Okay, so first step, for people who want to start making money with Amazon Associates using YouTube and AI, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. It's for free and it's easy. You will go to Google and you will search for Amazon Associates. You will click on the first link over here like this. You will be, guys, in this page. You will click on sign up like this, and you will be again in this page. You just need to put here your mobile number or your email address and click on continue, and you will just follow a few steps. Sign up process is super easy and simple. Of course, it's for free. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be, guys, your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. So this will be, guys, your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. You will see your commissions here, your summary here, and your bounties over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you guys need to choose a profitable product that you will start promoting on YouTube. You need to promote product that solve problems for people. You need to promote product that already people are searching for on YouTube. That's how you can win with this business. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go to YouTube. Okay, and you guys need to create a YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube, guys, it's getting a lot of traffic. Like, it's the second, like I said, it's the second largest search engine. The potential of YouTube, and YouTube is gold mine for affiliate marketing. It's very, very good for affiliate marketing. If you want to get high quality traffic, start with YouTube. Okay, you guys can see that even here you can see that YouTube, it's getting 30 billion monthly visitors. That's really a big number, guys. Okay, anyway, so how we can choose product that people will be interested to buy from you here on YouTube? So I want you to pay close attention in this step. So what we will do next, we will use AI to find products that people will be interested to buy from me and from you on YouTube. We will use AI. So what you will do next, you will go to ChatGPT. Okay, go to ChatGPT account and open your ChatGPT account. It's for free, and ask ChatGPT, guys, to give you a short viral prompt to send to Alexa AI by Amazon to find the best 5 product that I can promote on YouTube and people already searching for. Okay, just you can ask any number, 5, you want 5 product, 10 product, 20, and so on. Okay, just this is just an example to show you how we can do it. So ChatGPT will give you guys this prompt. You see, you will copy this prompt, okay, over here like this. Find 5 best, you guys copy, find the 5 best Amazon product to promote on YouTube right now. Focus on products with high buyer intent, strong search demand, low to medium competition, and proven sales potential, and so on. Okay, you will copy this prompt. What you will do next here, you will go to Amazon.com. Go and open your Amazon.com website like this. Okay, and what you will do, you will see here Alexa for shopping. You see here Alexa for shopping. Click on Alexa for shopping, and you will see this bar. This is AI by Amazon that will help you guys a lot scale and grow your Amazon affiliate business. You should start using this. Okay, so you will click on Alexa, you will see this bar, you will click here on ask shopping question and paste here your ChatGPT prompt. Click here to send this prompt to Alexa and let Alexa find best Amazon product that you can promote on YouTube that people are already searching for. Okay, that's how you can win. You can't promote products randomly or guess or choose product that you like. This business doesn't work like this. Okay, here you go. So Alexa will give you guys 5 products that you guys can promote on YouTube. Okay, here is the first one. Okay, this is the product, the first product number 1. We have here product number 2, and here is the product number 3 and 4 and so on. Okay, so we have here 4 products, which is very good. Price, Alexa will give you guys all the details. Okay, so what we will do next here, guys, let's take this one as an example, like this one here. Okay, so as an example, guys, let's pick this products. We will choose this one. Okay, so first what I will do, I will copy the name of this product. Okay, I'll copy like this, and I will go to YouTube to make sure people are searching for this product on YouTube. I will click here on the search bar and paste the name of this product. Okay, and here you go. Yes, we have people and we have an audience searching for these products on YouTube. Okay, you guys can see we have an audience search for this robot videos, robot vacuums comparison, robot vacuums YouTube, and so on. Okay, review, you guys can see robot vacuum worth it, and so on. So you have an audience search for this product already on YouTube. Let me prove this to you. Okay, so let's search for this one, 22 robot vacuums. I don't know the name if it's correct like this. So this is, I will click on this one, guys, 2026. I will click on this name. Okay, and here you go. So here, if I scroll down, here you go, we have people, we have an audience search for this products on YouTube. This is the proof that people are already watching those videos. Look at this one, guys, this video here, like got 134 views, 1,000 views. Okay, it's just in 2 months, and this channel is small. Okay, they are talking about this product. Okay, if I scroll more down, here is another one. Okay, best robot vacuum. This creator made this video about this products. Okay, and just in 3 months, this YouTube video, guys, got 64,000 views. And on YouTube, you need to understand something, that on YouTube you get high quality free traffic. Okay, because people who will watch this video, they are interested to buy this product. You just need to make a good video and give good details about this product, include your Amazon affiliate links in your video description, and you can make commissions. Okay, you guys can see people already getting traffic here. Okay, you see, here is another one. You see, 5 best robot 2026. You see, just also this video, guys, got 17,000 views. Okay, and so on. We have this one. Look at this one, 10 month uploaded, it's getting 277,000 views. High quality traffic. So what you will do for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, this product is working, you need to create a faceless YouTube video about this product, and you can use AI tools. You can go back to this amazon.com website. You will click here on this product that it's already, people are already searching for on YouTube, and they are already watching videos. It's for you, it's good for you. You will click on this product like this. So once you guys click on the products, you will be guys in this products page, and you guys can see here everything about this product. So the commission rate, it's 3%, and the price of this product, it's $149, which is really good. So what you will do next, guys, is you need to create a faceless YouTube video that you guys can use to promote this product on YouTube. It's already working. People are already promoting this product on YouTube. They are making good commissions. The best part with YouTube, like I said, it's search engine platform. So if you are making good videos, you can rank, your videos can rank in the first page of the search result of YouTube, and you keep getting traffic for years, for months, and you keep getting commissions. That's the power of YouTube, not like other social media platforms. Okay, that's how you can make commissions with Amazon associate affiliate marketing using YouTube and AI. Okay, and for people who want to take this business seriously, I do have, guys, an AI affiliate marketing course where I am explaining exactly how you can create a faceless content that you can post on all social media platforms to double your traffic and double your commissions. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice, you can use just AI tools to create a faceless YouTube videos. Create an SEO optimized script, creating thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and editing. You can do everything but done by AI. Okay, If you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. Okay. And once you create this video, you can go just back to this Amazon product page. You can click here on get link to get your affiliate link and click on copy affiliate link like this. You go back to YouTube and you put this affiliate link in your video's description, and you create content like those people here. Okay. And you have a lot of product to promote. You guys can see here. Go back to Alexa. We have a lot of products, so we pick this one. Let's take as an example another product like this one. I will copy the name of this product, and let's go back to YouTube and click here and paste this name to see if people are searching for this product or not. Yes, they are searching for this product. You see guys, if I click on the search, I can find people already made videos about this products, and they are getting good commissions like this one. You see, here is another one. It's getting, look at this video guys, it's close to 1 million views. It's close to 1 million views just in 5 months. It's making a lot of commissions. Okay. And here is another one. Okay. So for you, if you don't want to show your face on and you don't want to use your voice, you can use just AI tools to create like those videos and post them here on YouTube. Of course, you need to create an SEO optimized videos that can rank higher on YouTube search and keep getting you traffic for years. Okay. That's the power of this business, and that's exactly guys how I'm making over $26,000 a month with Amazon associate using free traffic from YouTube and short videos. You can also use AI to create short videos, and you can the same videos you can post them on all social media platforms. You can post them on Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram and Facebook Reels, and you double your traffic and you double your commissions. And that's it. I shared with you guys a lot of valuable info here. You can't find like those methods that I shared with you here on YouTube. I'm sharing this with you for free. I hope you appreciate this video and subscribe to this channel, like this video. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.